When you think of circuit boards, do you picture rigid green boards? But today's flexible printed circuit FPC is a true soft powerhouse, bendable, foldable, and compact enough to fit into spaces as small as a fingernail. Without it, many precision devices simply couldn't be built. Its key role is serving as the universal flexible bridge for electronic devices. Where rigid boards can't fit into narrow gaps or curved spaces, its paper-thin design slips in effortlessly, replacing messy wires. It withstands repeated bending and shaking while maintaining stable signals. Plus, it's 70% lighter than rigid boards, making devices lighter with improved feel and battery life. The secret to its bendability lies in its three-layer structure. The Cori flexible skeleton is made of polyimide, capable of withstanding over 10,000 bends and temperatures up to 260 C. The middle layer of copper foil acts as invisible wiring, thinner than a human hair, responsible for signal transmission. The outer protective film serves as a shield, preventing scratches, corrosion, and short circuits. Manufacturing it requires greater precision than rigid boards, but the core process involves 4 steps. First, the circuit is drawn and printed onto a template. Photosensitive resin is applied and cured with UV light to set the pattern. Excess copper foil is etched away, and a protective layer is applied. Finally, the material is cut to shape and tested for quality. Only passing boards are approved for use. It costs slightly more than rigid boards, but pricing isn't arbitrary. Small, simple batch orders range from $1 to $5 per board. Complex multi-layer designs can cost $10 to $30. Volume discounts apply, and premium materials or rigorous testing can increase costs. Medical-grade boards may double in price. Without it, compact, dynamic device designs would be impossible. Isn't this flexible circuit far more powerful than you imagined?